Hi guys, so welcome back to another video. I am so hi guys, welcome to another video. I am at Plantation Smokehouse. If you didn't watch the video, I can attach the link somewhere, probably in the description or the little clear thing right there. But I am at Plantation Smokehouse, just making a quick stop to grab something to eat because I'm on my way to Kingston. Hope y'all are doing well. If you are new here, please click the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so that you are notified when I upload a new video. So yeah, we're just gonna eat right now and head to Kingston. So enjoy the video. Guys, this is my favorite drink here. I know it's the middle of the day, but who cares? Whenever no corona is coming here. So guys, this is steak and shrimp. One thing I can tell you about Plantation is that their food, baby, the food is sexy. They have sexy food. So guys, I made a stop because I want to get a bottle of wine. Don't judge me, it's been a long week and I'm gonna head to Kingston. I'm not sure if I want to get red or pink because I love pink. So let me.
I guess you're back. Are you gonna tell me where you went? All the messages I sent with no reply. It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room. I hate how you assume I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain, 'cause I know you're on the run. I'll take the pleasure and the pain, your secrets to my grave.
Why is it not? Okay guys, nothing is happening. Okay, there we go. Anybody home? Hi, how are you? Yes, I am. Hello. Hi. So the room number is room 30. Guys, I forgot to show you this on the door. It says cleaned and sanitized. I love that. So I guess coming in, you know that your room was checked, your room was cleaned, and it's sanitized, so you feel safe. I love that. Guys, this is the bathroom. I love this little detail. That's so cute. So it's a tub situation. I love a tub, but I won't be here this long. There's a little closet with your iron board, hangers, iron, a safe. I love that. That's important. Oh my god, guys, look, a yoga mat. This is cute. I love this. Zen. Guys, I want to get into yoga. But yeah, that's cute or whatever. Here you have a little tea station. Cute. What we have here. Oh, let's see what I put in there. Okay, nothing. Alright. I guess you have like storage space. I need to turn on the other lights in here because it's a little dark. And you have a little workstation because Spanish Court is a business hotel, so you know they make space for like how they design their stuff, you know, how they design their rooms, you know, is for productivity. Guys, so I bought a bottle of wine, so I'm gonna put it in here to chill in the meantime. So when I get back, she's gonna be ready for me. Listen, what's wrong? Or not? Hold on. Boy. Perfect.
The messages I sent with no reply. It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room. I hate how you assume I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain, 'cause I know you're on the run. I'll take the pleasure and the pain, your secrets to my grave, 'cause you are the only one.
Morning, guys. So today is another day. I'm having a little issue. I forgot my shower cap, and I didn't bring my hairpins, and so the back of or the nape of my head is like totally wet. I got a shower cap, but this was not big enough, so I don't know. The hotel has a blow dryer here. Let me show you. I found this in the bathroom area, so I'm gonna have to use it to blow dry the back of my hair, to dry my hair. No, I don't just add heat to my hair like that because I don't really have much products with me now, but I'm gonna use the Olaplex bonding oil as a heat protector, so hopefully this works. Guys, you like my bonnet? You can check Forever Alamode JA on Instagram. It's a reversible bonnet, so you can wear it on that side or you can wear it on this side. Ignore my hair. Guys, I did not bring any pins, so that's that. I can't find the hair scrunchie thing, and my hair just look flat, and I want to put my hair in one, but I don't want to be late for breakfast, so I'm about to go downstairs and grab breakfast. My hair is a mess. It's real irritating me, and I really can't do that, honestly. Ooh, I'm nervous. Guys, this is Christopher. He's so nice. Guys, I got cornmeal porridge. I love me some porridge. Whoa. Y'all want some? Alright guys, so I ordered a Jamaican breakfast. This is callaloo and saltfish fried dumplings, plantains and banana, green banana, because you know girl body thick and girl wants her strength, so girl is gonna. And I got orange juice. I didn't finish my porridge because it's a lot. Okay, Bob. Their pool and cabana area. I love, do you see the lighting? I love it. This is so cute. This is their jacuzzi area, I'm assuming. Also a gym here, so if you want to work out, you can. It's nice. Cute little workout. Alright guys, so I wanted to show you the items that I got in the bathrooms. What I love about this place is I can smell that strong like lavender type of, it smells like the spa, and I love that. So I guess all the items are like aromatherapy type of stuff. So I got a shampoo, conditioner, lotion, bath gel, a shoe mist. Like I haven't been anywhere and received a shoe mist before. I already used the soap. This is Cersei, and you know the mouthwash cups. I received this at the front desk. They recommended that I soak my body in it. So it's Epsom salt with essential oils with lavender, ginger, eucalyptus, and rosemary. And I thought this was so thoughtful. So hold on. I'm about to turn on my music. So I got this, guys. It said that they recommended me doing a soak. I love this concept. You know, I think it's so thoughtful. So I'm about to soak my body. So nice, and it smells so good, guys. So I'm gonna turn on my playlist and soak my body.